This has always been my home. Hindi ako nahirapan bumalik sa GMA7 because dito ako nag-umpisa.
Sa kanyang muling pagpirma ng kontrata sa GMA Network, sinariwa ng King of Talk na si Boy Abunda ang kanyang humble beginnings as a kapuso. Mula sa pagiging publicist, di raw niya ini-expect na pupupunta siya sa mundo ng telebisyon.
I was working with GMA Films and that was one of the proudest moments in my life. So I was here and I was over-talking. So they noticed there was a possibility that I could have done talk shows.
Puno ng papuri si GMA President and CEO Gilberto R. Duavit Jr. para sa King of Talk.
Boy is array of light eh. You know, in the changing world, di ba? Siya nanatiling tapat, that freshness, that integrity sa kanya mga pinapublish, sa kanyang mga binibigkas na salita, and the way he is with his interviewees and his co-workers is something that is encouraging. Sana lahat moving forward manatiling may ganun.
Nasa contract signing din si Senior Vice President for Entertainment Group Lilibeth G. Razonable at iba pang opisyal ng GMA.
Always his generosity para makatulong sa ating mga programa, sa ating mga artista, lalong-lalo na yung mga bago, yung interest niya para tulungan tayong hubugin sila.
May mensahe para kay Boy si Chairman of the Board and Advisor at Chairman ng Programming Committee, Attorney Felipe L. Gozon.
You embody what GMA Network stands for: credibility, integrity, and excellence. You managed to maintain your superior standard of professionalism and you stayed true to your values. Kaya nag-iisa ka lang, Boy. Nag-iisa lang ang Boy Abunda.
I'm grateful to have been given this chance and napatuloy kaming bahagi ng pakikipagkwentuhan sa nanay, tatay at kapuso na parati kong sinasabi. Maraming salamat din sa pagpapahiram ng 20 minutes araw-araw mula Lunes hanggang Biyernes.